The new Haq Center will provide a safe and welcoming space for students on campus, especially for our multicultural students. It will also provide a space for diversity and multicultural programming. It will also be a place where our students can gather together and learn from each other and grow from each other and kind of expand their horizons, get out of their comfort zones and experience other cultures.
We really thought it was important to have it in a more central location like the campus center, just because we have a large amount of freshmen here that are of color, specifically Black students, and we don't often hold space together. So the fact that we now can do that in a central area that's kind of providing a sense of security for future students, and it might actually give our current students like something to talk about in terms of like a draw for Hanover and what there is here for students of color.
I think it means that it's investing back into its students now. So it's a big plus. It's great.
I feel proud that they're doing it because it's bringing more diversity on campus, along with the whole equity and inclusion community and just some more opportunities to make the campus more diversified.
I'm really glad that they did this for us and actually heard us out and asked us where we would want it to go, and they included us on the process of what actually was going in the room, like the lights and the flooring and everything like that. So I just feel really grateful that they got it together for us.
Our students of color in particular will have a place where they really can feel it is their own.
Well, I really like this new space. It's a lot roomier, a lot more people can come in here. It's more out there for people to know that you can come and visit anytime you want. It's a place to go to if you're feeling down, a place to go to if you just want to have fun.